In today's video, we're going to write a fraction as a mixed number. And our fraction is an improper fraction. We could tell it's improper because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So let's first understand the definition of a mixed number. It is a whole number mixed with a proper fraction. So a proper fraction would have a smaller numerator and a larger denominator. Not like this, which is the other way around. The whole part tells us how many wholes, and the fraction tells us the fractional part of the number, or the number in between two integers. Okay? So we're going to go through the whole thing in detail so you'll understand it very well. So the first thing we have to do is divide this fraction the way it says to do. So divide 16 by 7. So 16 divided by 7, 7 fits into 16 twice, and you have a remainder of 2. So let's review how to do that with long division. So with long division, you would write it this way. 7 goes into 16. So we know 7 fits into 16 twice, right? So 7 times 2 is 14. If it was 7 times 3, 21 is too many. We only need 16. So now we multiply 7 times 2, which gives us 14. And then we subtract 16 minus 14. And that gives us a remainder of 2. We see our remainder of 2 here. So now we can write the mixed number, okay, from the information we have here. So this is the whole number. So let's put it here, our whole number, as part of our mixed fraction. And then the fractional part is this remainder. So it's 2 over 7. So we have, this is the whole part of the mixed number, and then this is the fractional part of the mixed number. And similarly, it would be like this. 2 is the whole number here, and then this 2 is the fractional part, which would be 2 over 7. So now we can do a check to see if we've done this correctly. So what we'd answered is 2 and 2/7 as the mixed number. So now we can take 7 times 2, multiply 7 times 2, and then you add 2. You add this to it. So that's how you can convert it back into an improper fraction. So here we have 7 times 2, which is our first operation here. And then we add 2, which is our second operation here. And you put it under the denominator of 7. So calculate that out. And you get 16. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16. 16 over 7. So that's how we know we got the right answer. And just so you know, to visualize what we have here, 2 and 2/7 is 2 wholes, and then this is 2/7. So 2 out of 7 are filled in. And that's it. That's the entire problem. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. You could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are similar. And also you could download the ebook. In the ebook there's a link there that'll take you right to this lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.